Hey y'all. So today's Tech 5 is actually a pretty quick one. We are just going to make a reusable certificate of service in Microsoft Word using QuickParts. So as you can see, we have a new document up and we're going to put the verbiage of the certificate of service in here. We're basically just going to highlight that and we're going to make it into a QuickPart. So let's grab the certificate of service language and just throw it in here. Let's make it look like we want it to look. So we'll put that center, make it bold, and then actually I'm going to go ahead and make everything century because that works pretty nicely. And so as you can see, we've got certificate of service. The undersigned certifies that on or about, you're going to need to put today's date in. A true and exact copy of the foregoing was sent, postage prepaid, via first-class U.S. mail to, and then put the adverse parties information. Later, we'll actually show you how to automate this or to make it into something that is more like form fields. But for right now, we're just going to show you the simple way of putting this certificate of service in. So let's highlight this selection, and then we're going to go to Insert, QuickParts, Auto Text, and then save selection to auto text gallery. And we're going to name it. I like to go ahead and name this something that puts it to the top. And then obviously something that I can remember. Now you can change the gallery that you put it to, so you can put it to QuickParts gallery, you can put it to auto text gallery, and you can make more galleries as well. But so for now we're just going to do auto text. You can create new galleries. Again, we're going to do general because this is just to do it very quickly. And we're going to say reusable certificate of service. Now, this is pretty important. So you're going to save it in the normal .m template. And this is the template that is used when you just open up a regular document. If you had a lot of different templates, you could, save them to that. But most of your templates are going to be based off of this normal .m. So we're going to make sure that it's there. And we are actually going to insert the content in its own paragraph. And that's going to let it be something new and let it hold on to this style. So we're going to hit OK. And now we need to see that it exists. So we're going to delete this away. And in order to find it, again, we go to the Insert ribbon, QuickParts, Auto Text, and you can actually see now, instead of saying just Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery, it gives us this as a selection. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there, and there it is. So it's just the click of a button for the most part, and now we have a reusable certificate of service. Now, once you have these QuickParts created, there are a lot of things that you can do to automate them. You can make them into macros. You can completely automate them where you use them for conditional formatting and things like that. We'll show you how to do that later on. It'll be a little bit more in-depth video, and we can show you how to organize these building blocks so you can create as many as you want. But for now, that's just that's it. That's a reusable certificate of service. That should save you some time as you go. I hope you found this helpful. And I hope it saves you time, money, and headache in the future. Thanks, guys.